Hello everyone. Today we will study about the basic introduction part of machine design. First, what is machine and what is design? Machine design. Machine design. First, what is machine? Machine, it develops and enhances the mechanical power and many moving parts used to complete a task. This is known as machine. It uses mechanical power. Design, proper planning, execution and new design and innovation is consist of designing process. So overall totally what is machine design? Innovation of new ideas, scientific principle, your innovation of ideas, innovation of ideas, innovation of ideas, scientific principle, scientific principle, proper designing, proper designing, designing and analyzing. So designing and analyzing. This overall study known as machine design. First, machine. Machine types. According to types of machine, machines is of three types. Machines. Machines is of three types. What are they? First, machine of generation, machine of generation, machine of generation, machine of conversation, machine of conversation, machine of, and third one, your last one is machine of utilization. First comes to first what? Machine of generation. In this, mechanical energy generated. Then second, machine of conversion. In this, mechanical energy converted into any other energy. Third, in this, mechanical energy utilizes properly. Machine of generation, in short, we call that prime movers. Machines of conversation, in short, we call converting. What are the example of machine of generation? Machine of conversation and machine of utilization. ICE engine is the example of ICE engine, gas turbine are the example of what? Machine of generation. Machine of conversation, hydraulic pumps are the examples of what? Machine of conversation. Then comes to the topic. Otherwise, machine design is known as what? Design of machine element. Design of machine element. Machine element. It may be structural member, structural member. It may be structural member. It may be controller member. Which controller member, and in structural, gear, etc. Gear, chain, etc. are the example of structural member. Controller, in control, switch, sensor, actuator, actuator. According to the machine designs, it is of three types: adaptive, new, modified design. In adaptive design, old design process, it enhances the quality of design. Quality of design. It helps for enhances the quality of design. Then comes to new design. In new design, something new invented, modified. These three terms most important: invented, innovative ideas, proper assembly. Then comes to what are the design of machine element. It may be gear, may be chain, may be drives, may be a cam, follower, may be a knot, bolt, etc. Many more. Everywhere we uses machine design process. There is proper execution. Otherwise, we cannot draw a machine design element. Then, according to base method, it is of three types. What are they? First one is your rational type. Second one is your empirical type. Third one is your industrial type. First, in rational type, we consider stress, load, etc. They are considered as rational type machine design. In second, empirical type, experimentally concluded by some formula, which is known as empirical formula. Some formula known as empirical formula. In industrial type, we have to consider that it may be low cost, high demand, good flexibility, flexibility and market survey. This type of design consists of high demand, what is the machine element demand and how flexibility it is, and in day to day life what is its market value. Then comes to the factors to be considered in machine design. Factors to be considered, factors to be considered in machine design. First, the load, the stress applied. Second, we have to consider the moving parts of the machine, moving parts of the machine, moving parts of the machine. Cost manufacturing, cost manufacturing, cost manufacturing, assembling, selection of material, selection of material, these are the factors to be considered in machine design. First, what is the load stress applied on the vehicle, then what are the moving parts in it, then how cost efficient these machines are, then proper and detailed assembling process, then we have to choose the best selection material, okay, the material which is cost efficient, which is not higher in cost and market demand is very good. Then general procedure for machine design, general procedure in machine design. Machine design. First, what is the need? Then synthesis or mechanism. Then synthesis otherwise known as mechanism. Then analysis of forces. Analysis of forces. Analysis of forces. Then selection of material. Selection of material. Then design of machine element. Design of machine element. Then your detail drawing. Detail drawing. Then modification. Then your last one, what? Production. First, we have to know what is the need of a machine. Then, what is its market value and what are the mechanism are involved in it. Then we have to synthesize what is the recognition of need. Then the synthesis process. Then we have to analyze the forces acting on the machine element. Okay. Then we have to choose proper material which is cost efficient and fully efficient to the machine. Then your design, we have to design a machine element. Normally we design the machine element by the process of need, synthesis, analysis and selection of material. Then make a detailed drawing about it and execute. Here execution, imagining occurs. Imagining occurs. Then if there is some mistake, then we have to modify it. After proper modification, everything we just check it and then we have to production process. We have to product the machine element. Okay, these are the general procedure in machine design. In the next class, we will study about different machine elements and their designing. Okay, thank you.